What's up, y'all? Check it out. Funk and Focus November. We got 3 new tutorials coming to the site, but we got something special happening. We're gonna be doing strutting, but it's going to be all about routine building and group stepping. How do you put a show together? How do you get a team to stand together? What are the principles that you need to know as a team to build that unity and that connection? And some of the formulas that go into creating a strutting routine. So for the 3 tutorials this month in November, we're gonna be doing principles, together moves, and catch-ons, all right? We'll continue this as a series. So if you're someone that likes to put shows together, create choreographies, someone that wants to go deeper into strutting, this is definitely a month for you to check out the Funk and Focus tutorials, all right? So head over to the website, funkandfocus.co, and jump in. All right, y'all, we'll see you soon. Peace.